Hi fellas, welcome back to the Sterlinx Global channel. My name is Jay, and I'm one of the account specialists of Sterlinx Global, a UK-based accounting firm specializing in e-commerce and traditional businesses. How are you all doing? I'm really glad you made it here. For those who are new to our channel, we hope you will find our content worth your time. This channel and the content we make address common pain points and challenges that our clients face and provide valuable insights that can help entrepreneurs, self-starters, and freelancers in their businesses. For today's discussion, our topic is how to properly pay yourself as a sole trader in the UK. Being a sole trader, you are the boss of your own business. Sounds cool, right? But you cannot just take away all the income of your business every month. Of course, there should be a balance between your personal finances and business funding needs. Your business still requires resources to operate smoothly, comply with tax regulations, and expand if you want it to grow and provide you with more income. In this regard, you should learn how to pay yourself properly as a sole trader. In this video, we will provide you with some tips and helpful guidelines. We've put together a comprehensive guide to help you pay yourself properly and avoid any headaches come tax time. Stick with me to learn more. One of the key aspects of managing your finances as a sole trader is paying yourself properly. But with so many options available, it can be tough to figure out the best way to do this. Salary or drawings? Which payment structure is right for you? The first decision you need to make when it comes to paying yourself is whether to do it through a salary or drawings. Both options have their pros and cons, and the best choice for you will depend on your specific circumstances. If you choose to pay yourself through a salary, you must register as an employer with HMRC and set up a PAYE scheme. This can be a bit of a hassle, but it offers some advantages. For example, it can help you budget more effectively because you'll know exactly how much you're getting paid monthly. On the other hand, taking drawings from the profits of your business is a simpler option. You can take out money whenever needed without worrying about setting up a PAYE scheme or following complex rules and regulations. However, it's important to note that taking drawings doesn't provide the same level of protection as a salary. If your business runs into financial trouble, your personal finances could be at risk. We will now proceed on the step-by-step procedure on each option. Take note that for this video, we will only tackle salary and drawings. How to pay yourself through a salary. If you've decided that paying yourself through a salary is the right option for you, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Step 1. Register as an employer with HMRC. Before you can set up a PAYE scheme, you'll need to register as an employer with HMRC. This process is fairly straightforward and can be done online via the HMRC website. Step 2. Set up a PAYE scheme. Once you're registered as an employer, you'll need to set up a PAYE scheme. This involves choosing payroll software or outsourcing to a payroll provider, setting up a PAYE reference number, and deciding on a payment frequency. This can be beneficial if you have several employees aside from yourself. But if you are the only one handling your business functions, this can be cumbersome and not worth undergoing. Step 3. Calculate your salary. You'll need to decide on a reasonable salary for yourself based on the profits of your business. This should take into account your personal tax allowances and any other income you may have. Step 4. Process your payroll. Now that you've got your PAYE scheme set up and your salary calculated, it's time to process your payroll. This involves running payroll software or working with your payroll provider to ensure your salary is paid correctly and all the necessary tax and national insurance contributions are deducted. Step 5. Record your salaries. It's crucial to keep accurate records of all your business transactions, including salary payments. This will help you stay on top of your finances and bookkeeping and ensure you're paying the correct amount of tax. That's it for salaries. Up next, we have drawings. How to pay yourself through drawings. If you assess that it is difficult to set up the PAYE scheme and resort to drawings as your personal payment structure, you can do the following steps. Step 1. Calculate your profit. To determine how much you can afford to take in drawings, you'll need to calculate your business's profit. To do this, you need to subtract your business expenses from your business income. The remaining amount is your profit. Step 2. Decide on a drawing schedule. With drawings, you can take out money whenever you need it. However, it's still a good idea to have a schedule in place to ensure that you're not taking out more money than your business can afford. Consider creating a budget and sticking to a regular drawing schedule. Step 3. Record your drawings. Make sure to record all your drawings. This will be essential in maintaining the accurate accounting of your business transactions and proper payment of taxes. Step 4. Set aside money for taxes and other business funds. Remember that as a sole trader, you'll need to pay taxes on your profits. It's important to set aside money from your before-tax income to cover your tax obligations. In addition, it's essential to have an emergency fund in case unexpected expenses arise or your business experiences a downturn. This will give you peace of mind and financial security during difficult times. Finally, having funds for expanding your business is also an important factor to consider when paying yourself as a sole trader. If you have plans for expansion, you should set aside resources to materialize these wishes. And while it can be tempting to withdraw the funds for personal use, it's crucial to resist this temptation. This will allow you to invest in the growth of your business and increase your income in the long run. That is all, and I hope you've learned something to apply to your endeavors. Before we end, let us first go over the list of frequently asked questions about paying yourself properly as sole traders in the UK. Number 1. How can I pay taxes if I also have other income sources? You must complete your self-assessment tax return yearly to report your income to HMRC. This includes not just your income as a sole trader, but also any salary, dividends, or other income you have received as an individual. It is important to keep accurate records of your income and expenses throughout the year to make this process easier. Number 2. Can I take money out of my business whenever I like? If you choose to pay yourself through salary, then the answer is no, since salary is usually set up periodically, unless you take cash advances, which might complicate your records and possibly defeat the purpose of your scheme. However, if you choose to get drawing from the business, you can do so whenever you need it, but you should keep accurate records of any withdrawals. It is important to note that any money you take from the business account will be subject to income tax and national insurance contributions. Number 3. Can I change my payment structure from salary to drawings or vice versa? Yes, you have the flexibility to change your payment structure from salary to drawings or vice versa. However, it's important to ensure you're paying yourself properly and meeting your tax obligations. There is no defined rule on properly paying yourself as a sole trader, especially if you're only a startup business owner. However, as you become more familiar with the process, you can fine-tune your payment structure and find what works best for you and your business. And that's all for today. We hope this video helps you understand how to properly pay yourself as a sole trader in the UK. And if you want more professional advice on setting your payment structure, check out the Sterlinx Global website at sterlinxglobal.com. If you enjoyed this content and want to learn more about accounting and taxation for business, please like the video and subscribe to our media channels. Again, I am Jay of Sterlinx Global, and I will see you next time.